Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come to this website. You can see www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. Okay, any motherboard, any devices, systems, any devices to require driver, you can download easily. Then go to this search button. You can see this is right hand side of website. Just click and then guys enter your model number of your motherboard which is your required, and you can see here B650 Eagle, and then guys hit enter. Click to product. You can so 650 Eagle. Click installations process same if you have a different version. Then click to support. So select your operating system. If your any operating system installations process same, so chipset driver. So you can see AMD chipset driver. Just click to download. Wait few seconds, it is downloading. And it is completed. Open and double click to exit. This is extracted, that's why it's required to double click. Required to administrative rights to ask yes or no, so you have to click on yes. Like it is installed, then closed.